Missionary Upholders Trust was started by Mr. J.J. Ratnakumar in 1993 at Vellore with the sole purpose of meeting common unmet needs of missionaries at their affordable cost.
I've come across several hundreds of missionaries and I've seen their commitment, and they don't come to this service with any expectation. They don't even bother to see where the next meal will come from. God clearly tells that it's everybody's responsibility to reach the unreached for Christ. If I really understand what it means and what sufferings my fellow brother undergoes, I cannot keep quiet.
The missionaries, they sacrificed everything and they have committed their life for this great sacrifice so they can manage any situation because that is their call and commitment.
Missionaries from all over India join hands, and that brings about a synergy to serve each other.
Today in our country, there are over 50,000 cross-culture missionaries. There are lots of unmet needs in the life of the missionaries in our country today. They belong to various organizations. Those missionaries are working in a context where there are lots and lots of unmet needs. Physically, emotionally, and spiritually, these dear missionaries are daily confronting.
The following areas were identified and needs met as the days went by.
During the time of death, a missionary family is assisted with 1.25 lakhs apart from funeral expense of 10,000, and bereavement seminars are conducted to overcome grief.
Crisis relief provided when unexpected crises like death of parents, theft, natural calamities, persecution, etc. happen in the life of missionaries.
Missionary kids assistance for higher studies to reduce the burden of parents in the midst of challenges. Retreats to build better bond of relationship with children and parent are conducted regularly.
Personal development programs are conducted to develop their personality, build interpersonal relationship, spiritually rejuvenate them, etc. Retired missionary welfare. Once a missionary, always a missionary. Caring from ministry call to home call through medical assistance, biography writing workshops, retreats is taking place.
Healthcare was identified as a great challenge in the life of missionaries. Some long-term or lifelong treatment calls for continuous assistance and proper follow-up. Doctors, mission hospitals like CMC, CFH and EHA, etc., as well as the contribution of well-wishers help to meet the need, and this need is increasing day by day. I am Mrs. Sunanda Kandare, serving with Maharashtra Village Ministries for the past 25 years. I was diagnosed to have breast cancer in June 2017. Even though I heard the same, I had peace in me, but my husband was totally disturbed. I was sent to MUT by MBM. Here in MUT, I feel as a home away from home. The mission-minded doctors in CMC going the extra mile to provide best of care and encouraged me to take this treatment. The love and concern of MUT, along with the financial assistance for the treatment, reduced the financial burden from me.
This is Kanakaratnam, IEM missionary working in Karnataka, Chitradurga field. In 2016, I was diagnosed that I am having spinal cord disorder. I was brought to CMC. When I met neuro department, doctor told me, until your last breath you cannot stand and you cannot walk. But miraculously, God made me to stand by my own, walk even 300 meters above. I never forget the CMC doctors, their love and kindness towards the missionaries, those who are especially staying Missionary Upholder Trust guest house. I never forget the help which we are receiving from the MUT. Their earnestly prayers always encourage us, and many people used to visit us and encourage us.
My name is Susanta Patra. I was born in Orissa. I gave my heart to Jesus Christ in 1970 in the month of May on a street evangelistic outreach work. Missionaries are our greatest treasure, and we must, as Christian community, we must take care of them. Because if they don't preach the gospel, India will not be saved.
Hi, my name is Benjamin. I'm involved with FEMA Radio in producing radio programs, reaching the people of our country. Prior to this, I was pastor of the Methodist Church for 17 years. You know, my heart longs for people who just come forward and say, I want to give, not because they are in need. I want to give because the Lord has given to me. So I don't want to give out of my abundance. I want to give out of the one that I have. Just give it to me.
Last year, medical care was provided to the tune of 1.93 crore. For the past 2 years, there has been a deficit of 30 to 35 lakhs per year.
We urge you to join hands with us as we look forward to bless God's servants who go through such challenges. The sickness is on the rise as the days go by.
For more information, please contact us.